Welcome to this diary. So today I thought I will make something for the dinner. That is sweet corn and chicken soup. So first we'll see the ingredient. 100 gram boiled shredded chicken, half cup sweet corn, half cup sweet corn grinded paste, 1 egg white. If you want, you can use full egg. 1 cup carrot. I cut little cubes. 2 spring onion white part. 3 garlic cloves chopped. Few spring onion green. Corn flour, salt, pepper, olive butter and 3 cups chicken stock. So we'll start the preparation. Heat the pan, add 2 teaspoon butter, so then add spring onion whites, next garlic, now salt few minutes till become a slightly brown. So now I am going to add 1 cup carrot. Salt. Then add chicken. Mix all together. Next into this, I am adding sweet corn paste. After that, add sweet corn. So now we'll season, add pepper, salt, mix it. Then I am going to add 3 cups chicken stock. Here I have saved about 1/4 cup chicken stock. I am using with the finally corn flour. So now we cover it up and let this boil about 5-6 minutes. Now you can see our soup has started to boil. So I open the lid. Take 1 tablespoon corn flour and mix with the chicken stock. Now add it to soup. Then beat the egg white and adding into the soup. Now quickly mix all these together and bring it to boil few minutes. So now our sweet corn and chicken soup is going to be ready. Finally, I am adding spring onion. This is I am doing like a garnish. So here we have our yummy, healthy sweet corn and chicken soup. I think this is very short time we can prepare. Please try this and enjoy with your family. I hope today you will all enjoy with my recipe. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon at the right corner, and don't forget like and share with your friends. So we'll meet new day with new healthy recipe.